Hey, let's have a little bit of fun today. So I come out and I jump in the Suzuki a couple of days ago, and it seems to be running on 3 cylinders. So I'm like, okay, I know the plugs are ancient. Let me go ahead and get the plugs out of the way. These are the old plugs. They're iridiums, NGKs. As far as I know, these things are original to the car. Puts them at about 141,000 miles. And they're tired. They're definitely tired. But so almost as soon as I take the cover off, right, I see the problem. So let me show you something in here, and you guys can throw some comments down and see what you think. See if I can block some of the light over here. Maybe we can see what's happening. Alright, individual coil packs, right? So what's going to cause something to fire badly on just one cylinder? Perhaps a break in the wire. Uh-oh. What do you think? Check that out right there. So anyway, I got to do some wiring or something, because it's kind of inconvenient riding around on 3 cylinders. But hey, the weather's getting nice. It's almost time to be driving the bug anyway. So anyway, have some fun with that.